All right, families, I am going to go through a little tutorial for you on Blackboard and how you kind of navigate around all of the different parts of it. Whenever you log into Blackboard, this screen right here will be the first screen that you see. I've tried to make it unique and memorable so that when you see these crazy pictures on the wall, you know you're in the home page of Miss Pacifico's class. If you look over here at the left of the screen where there are gray buttons, the first one says announcements. That's going to take you to my weekly announcements. Some of you may have already watched the welcome message. It's a video of me welcoming you to class. It also has a little bit of directions under here for you to read, parents. You're going to find the first week of school button that's on the left of the screen that I just showed you. And there you'll find your directions for zooming in. Over here on the left, we've got our class information button. When you click on that, it's going to pull up an All About Miss Pacifico. There's our class schedule, information to contact me. Remember, Class Dojo is the quickest and easiest way. It's got a link to our student handbook in case you want to read into that a little bit more, our supply list, and then we've also got the specials information. Your student's going to be logging into a different course altogether on Blackboard to get to their specials class each day. Let's go back up to the top, back to our left where our buttons are. We have our newsletter. September's newsletter is in there. I'm not going to show you what the newsletter looks like because this week you're going to be going on a scavenger hunt to find it on your own. The ESE button is only going to be used for students that have specifically been said to go to that button. You will not need to press on that button unless I have told you otherwise. Family monthly projects, we talked about this when you came into class for Meet the Teacher. You have a September family project that you will do all together, and then you'll post your final product on Class Dojo. All your directions are right on this tab right here when you click. Now, let's go to the first week of school. Our first week of school is going to look a little different in terms of the curriculum that we do, as well as the timing of everything. Kindergarten is doing the late start for the first week, so that means we are starting a little bit late, and that's going to affect the rest of our schedule for the day. The following week, we will go back to our regular time, and we will dive a little bit deeper into the curriculum, and we'll be establishing those routines of the things we'll do every single day. But for the first week of school, our goal is to master Zoom technology with a little bit of an introduction to Blackboard. We're going to be gentle with each other. There's a friendly reminder there. You're going to zoom in by 8:45. The link is right here. You just click on it. It's going to open Zoom. You'll have to type in the password. My password for the Zooms are always going to be love. Here's a schedule, just in case I haven't given you enough visuals of the schedule yet. And then for your activities that you'll do, I've got reading, math, writing, science, and social studies. Just to let you know, writing, science, and social studies are lumped together in one block because most of our writing that we do will be writing about social studies and science standards. So let's go up to the reading and we'll click on that. From 8:30 to 10 o'clock, we will be doing our reading. 8:30 to 8:50, there's a whole group meeting. That means you're going to zoom in and you're going to join the class for a lesson that I give directly instructing students. Then I will say goodbye to you, you will leave the meeting, and you will start your Independence Center activities. This will be every day for the whole year. This is the routine. So it's going to give you a rundown of the activities you need to do. 1, 2, and 3. All your directions are here. There's visuals to help you. We go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's all there for you for reading block. The same's going to go for the math and the writing. It's going to be set up in the same way. Here's your Zoom for your math group. Whole group will be at 10 o'clock to 10:20. I'll give a direct lesson to everybody in the class. Then you will leave the meeting and you will start your center work. Complete the activities. 1 and 2, they're listed for you right there with directions. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For math, just a quick note. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we focus on numbers and counting and what that looks like, addition and subtraction. Thursday is always shape day, and Friday is always measurement day. So Thursday we'll focus on shapes for our lesson, and Friday we'll focus on a measurement standard for our lesson. That's going to be the routine for the whole year. Okay, let's go back and we'll show you what writing looks like. Same setup. It's got your Zoom in. We're going to do a lesson. Here's the lesson from 12:10 to 12:30. It's your whole group meeting. That's me giving direct instruction to students. Then you will leave the meeting and you will do an independent activity. For my remote students, this whole week, I have given you the task of completing your family monthly project. So that'll get you all working together, and it'll give you an opportunity to practice how you're working together and completing activities as a family unit. And remember, your steps for the monthly projects are on the tab on the link that says monthly family projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope that it gives you some starting points to get onto Blackboard and to navigate around the site. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Dojo, or you can call or email me. Dojo is the quickest and easiest way to get a response from me because the alerts go right to my phone, kind of like a text message.